Welcome to Lesson 2, Winner's Edge Data Logging. Winner's Edge is a powerful logging and analysis feature integrated into the TermLab measurement system software. This feature provides the ability to save measurement data to a TermLab database. Winner's Edge also includes powerful measurement analysis tools for identifying performance trends related to the sound system or atmospheric conditions. In Lesson 1, you learned how to use the System Profile Manager. In this lesson, you will learn how to save measurements to the database. After completing this lesson, you will be able to use Winner's Edge to save a measurement, edit an existing measurement, and delete an existing measurement. Let's get started. Each time you measure with TermLab, the system computes more than 100 different measurement results. Winner's Edge provides a mechanism for saving these results for later analysis. To access the Winner's Edge feature, you must first launch the TermLab application. Once the program is open, verify you are in the SPL measurement mode. You will also need to configure the SPL settings as follows. Set the mode to peak hold. Set the interval to 0. Set the resolution to 1 Hz. Set the power multiplier appropriately if you're using a power probe. You are now ready to take a measurement. Click on the orange reset button to reset the meter. Next, click on the green play button to start the measurement process. Play your sound system to establish the desired reading. Finally, click the red stop button to halt the measurement. Click on the Save button to open the saved measurement form. Let's take a quick tour of this window. The measurement data panel will show the primary measurement values for the test. The sound system panel includes input fields related to the vehicle and the sound system. The system profile list box specifies the system profile. In Lesson 1, you learned how to create a system profile. The Group ID input field is used to group measurements together for advanced analysis. The volume control input field specifies the source unit volume setting used. The music track input field specifies the song or test track that was used. The general information panel includes input fields related to the measurement, such as date, time, and location. The memo field provides a short description of the measurement. The environmental panel contains input fields related to weather conditions that can affect sound system performance. The temperature input field represents the actual temperature at the measurement location. If possible, use a digital thermometer to obtain this information. The barometer input field represents the barometric pressure at the measurement location relative to sea level. Use a smartphone app or barometer to obtain this information. The elevation input field represents the actual elevation above sea level at the measurement location. Use a smartphone app or GPS receiver to obtain this information. Environmental factors can significantly affect the performance of a sound system. You should always input this information when saving. The Notes panel contains an input field to provide a more detailed description of the measurement, the conditions, and other relevant information. Input the requested information as completely as possible. If you're unsure of the data required for a particular input field, hover the mouse over the input field to see additional descriptive information. When you've completed filling out the form, click the Save button to save the measurement to the database. Sometimes it may be necessary to edit or delete existing measurements. From the TermLab pull-down menu bar, select Tools and then click on Winner's Edge Measurement Analysis. The Measurement Analysis window will be displayed. To edit an existing measurement, select the measurement you wish to edit. Next, click on the Edit button on the toolbar. A window containing the data editing form will be displayed. Make the necessary edits and then click on the Save button to save the updated measurement in the database. Measurement deletion works in a similar fashion. To delete a measurement, select the measurement you wish to delete. Next, click on the Delete button on the toolbar. A confirmation window will pop up asking you to confirm the action. Click Yes to delete the measurement or No to cancel the operation. In this lesson, I demonstrated the primary operational concepts related to saving measurements with Winner's Edge. You learned how to save a measurement, edit an existing measurement, and delete an existing measurement. I believe you'll find these tasks intuitive and easy to apply. In Lesson 3, I will demonstrate how to analyze measurement data. Thanks for watching.